Starting a business is exciting, but it can also be incredibly daunting, especially when you're working with limited resources. That's where bootstrapping comes in. Today, we're going to walk you through the steps you need to take to successfully bootstrap your startup and turn your dream into reality, all without relying on outside investors. Here is the step-by-step guide on how to bootstrap your startup. First, let's define what bootstrapping actually means. Bootstrapping a startup means building and growing your company using only the resources you have available, whether that's your savings, income from another job, or revenue generated from early sales. It's about being resourceful, creative, and strategic to make the most of what you've got. The benefits of bootstrapping. So, why would you choose to bootstrap instead of seeking outside funding? There are some key benefits. Full control of the overall operations. When you bootstrap, you retain full ownership of your company, which means you can make decisions without having to answer to investors. Financial discipline. Without external funding, you're forced to be spending on what's truly essential. This can lead to better financial habits and a more sustainable business model. Flexibility. Bootstrapping gives you the freedom to pivot quickly if something isn't working. You're not locked into a specific plan or obligated to meet investor expectations. How to start bootstrapping. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of how to actually bootstrap your startup. Here are the key steps you need to follow. Solid business plan. This is your roadmap. Outline your goals, target market, strategies, revenue streams, and expenses. Set a budget. Know exactly how much money you have to work with and create a strict budget. Allocate funds to essentials like product development, marketing, and operations. Minimize costs. Look for ways to save wherever possible. This could mean working from home instead of renting an office, using free software tools, or outsourcing tasks to freelancers. Revenue generation. Prioritize activities that will bring in money. Whether it's launching a minimum viable product or offering a service, getting early sales is crucial. Reinvest profits. As you start to generate revenue, reinvest it back into your business to fuel growth. Real-time examples. Some of the most successful companies started with bootstrapping. Take MailChimp, for example. It began as a side project funded by its founder's web design agency. Today, it's a multi-billion-dollar company. Another great example is Basecamp, which was built without any outside funding and has remained profitable for years. Challenges and how to overcome them. Bootstrapping is not without its challenges. You'll likely face obstacles like limited resources, slow growth, and the pressure to do everything yourself. But don't get discouraged. Here's how you can overcome these challenges. Stay focused on your long-term vision. Remind yourself why you started and where you want to go. Build a strong network. Surround yourself with mentors, advisors, and other entrepreneurs who can provide support and guidance. Be patient. Success doesn't happen overnight. Keep refining your product, and remember that slow growth is still growth. Final tips. As you embark on your bootstrapping journey, remember that every penny counts, every decision matters, and every step brings you closer to your goal. Stay committed, stay resourceful, and most importantly, believe in your vision. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future content. And if you're bootstrapping your startup, share your experience in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.